Hey, it's Logan from Purposeful Planting. I just wanted to take the time to thank all of our followers and subscribers to our previous season, and we look forward to serving you in the upcoming season. So, because of some of the comments we got from last season, we're going to make a few changes. We have two separate homesteads, as you know, if you're a follower of ours. So my mother is going to continue doing the intensive gardening on a large scale, and I'm going to cover here at my homestead gardening on a limited time frame. Because let's face it, the world is a busy place, so people are busy. So I feel like that'll help address the needs of both halves of our audience. And if there's any way that we can serve you personally, please share your comments, and hopefully we can address some of those needs in the upcoming season. I was hoping to take this video outside because there was almost no snow left on the ground, but unfortunately it snowed again, so it was just a teaser for the upcoming growing season, I guess. I don't know where you are at the moment, whether you have any snow at all or you have twice as much as we have, but if you are a follower of our program, I know you are just as excited to take on this upcoming growing season just as much as we are. So anyway, if you have any comments at all about any little things that you would like us to address, please comment. That would be appreciated because we look forward to serving you. So I want to say thank you again, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.